Hello, Liza, how do you do? I'm writing a letter, I hope it reaches you. I know it's been a long time since you heard from me. I'm still kicking around here in Tennessee. I heard you got a new place, I heard you got a new job, I heard you got a haircut, and it looks real nice. Are you ever lonely? Do you ever think of me? I heard you got a new man, I hope it treats you right. And before you toss this letter away, there's something that I've got to say. An aeroplane shooting across the sky can surely take your body to a new place for a while. But some things stay no matter where you go. Do you still love me, Liza, babe? Please tell me yes or no.
So what did you do there for the shoot?
When the world turns ugly, we turn inside, try to find a good thing we can stand behind. All my friends tell me she's the one that got away, but you never left me. Like a ghost you stay. There's nothing else worth thinking of when you find the one you love. An aeroplane shooting across the sky can surely take your body to a new place for a while. But some things stay no matter where you go. Do you still love me, Liza, babe? Please tell me.
She goes, oh yeah, but that'll be the end of his independence. I said, well, it's better than if you kill someone. I said, well, how old is he? She said he's 85 this year. I said, for fuck's sake, yeah, you lost your thing. I reckon it should be a rule when you turn 80 or something, you've got to get your license or something. So the government just gives you vouchers or something for taxis because it's fucking dangerous.
Well, when I woke up, she was looking at me. She told me I've been cheating on her in her dream. Lord, it wasn't a thing I could do or say to change her mind any way. She told me things was gonna change. If I wanted her, I couldn't stay the same. So I stopped going out on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Yeah, everything she asked I left in the past, just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated, all I've been domesticated. She told me top off her Jeep, the one I bought her when I sold my old GT. And I bumped in to my good friend, and he asked me where the hell had I been. So I told him what she told me. If I didn't change, she was gonna leave. So I stopped going down on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Everything she asked I left in the past, just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understood. baby, and she wanted out. Everything about the man she once loved, long gone, baby, and it's all because I stopped going out on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Everything she asked, I left in the past, just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated, Lord, I've been domesticated. Lord, I've been domesticated. All I do is stay at home all damn day.
Not long ago, good love was hard to find. Not long ago, we were the losing kind. Won't hang our head in sorrow the way we done before, 'cause you're the one that I've been searching for. Time goes slow when you're up all through the night. To darkness we'll go to greet the morning light. Won't waste away tomorrow, we're stepping out the door, 'cause you're the one that I've been searching for. No sad goodbyes or lonely cries, we've heard them all before. Yes, you're the one that I've been searching for. To a stranger leaves you broken on the floor. Yes, you're the one that I've been searching for. Now you don't have to worry, I'm yours forevermore, 'cause you're the one that I've been searching for.